Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Rose. If you don't know or never been here before, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more vegan recipe videos and vegan lifestyle videos. My voice is a little off and on. I was sick. I had a cold all last week. I was like really not feeling well at all. During the weekend I lost my voice, even though I was feeling a bit better. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that making videos for this week was going to be a hit or miss. And because I wasn't feeling well and I was not able to actually get in front of the camera and film anything or shoot anything. However, like I said, I was feeling a little bit better on the weekend, but then I lost my voice completely, and there was no way that I could have made videos like that. My voice is just starting to like recover. Like yesterday it really started to recover. Today is doing much better. So yeah, I wanted to make this fridge tour for you guys for a long time, and then when I got sick, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to do something quick so that I could actually still get something out for you guys. So I was like, oh, the fridge tour, that's an easier thing. So I actually filmed the fridge tour that you guys are about to see a couple days ago, and I couldn't do the intro or outro because I didn't have a voice. So I am here doing now the intro. And as for tomorrow's video, for Thursday's video, you guys will still see a video. However, I'm still not too sure whether it's going to be a lifestyle video or a food recipe. I do have a delicious pepper steak recipe coming up for you guys, but I didn't have time to film it. So either I will get it knocked out today or for tomorrow, or I will do another lifestyle video for you guys and post that for you guys tomorrow. So again, this week I apologize for the videos kind of being a little kind of like all over the place. I was sick. I should be posting or making videos for days, or if anything comes up, and have like a backup. I've always thought about that, but I never get around to doing that. But anywho, let me just stop talking, rambling on, and let's get into my fridge. So where shall we start? In the fridge, at the door. My door, so my fridge is broken. I have tape here, tape there, and I'm missing another one at the bottom. But anywho, it still works. So let's get started. So we have some extra firm tofu, and we have some de jalapeno cheese. I don't usually buy the cheese, but I use this for a recipe and I still have some, so it's been there for a while. I gotta use it up quick. I have an avocado that's a little overripe and I opened but didn't actually use, so I have to use that ASAP. We have some hemp seed shelled hemp seeds, which I love to sprinkle on salads. We have some mint. We have some cilantro, some, what are these called? Brussels sprouts, and some corn tortillas, which I love. There's my duct tape. Why buy something new if it still works and keeps my food nice and cool? Alright, so we have some yellow mustard, we have Dijon mustard, and we have spicy brown mustard. Why? Because I like to get creative, and mustard adds a lot of depth to a lot of different recipes. We have sweet baby Ray's, sea baby Ray's barbecue sauce, which I love. No, I'm not sponsored. And I have my aloe leaf right here that I always have on hand for my face. I will link the face skincare thing here. Next, let's get in here. I have like this little container where I keep some of like my little like smaller containers like in here, more organized. So we have some green curry paste. This is like the best green curry paste ever. I have some dates. I have some in the fridge and some outside the fridge. Don't ask why, I don't even know. Some sweet relish. We have this is better than bouillon, vegetable better than bouillon, which is really good. We have some sauerkraut, some hoisin sauce. What is this back here? Some leftover teriyaki sauce. like store-bought teriyaki sauce. And then we also have some sriracha sauce. Let me give you guys a little better view of things. So that's what that looks like. And right here we have some vegetable broth that is already opened up, otherwise it'd be in the pantry. Speaking of pantry, let me know if you guys would like to see a tour of my pantry. In this section, we just have all of my peppers. Usually I buy more, but I just kind of scaled down this time around. We have all the way back here some salsa, chips dipping stuff that the kids opened up, some marinara sauce. I love marinara sauce with like bread, so I'll just have like some nice bread and I'll dip it. I have some garlic cloves because I'm lazy and don't like to open up garlic most of the time. Some little cherry tomatoes, some strawberries that haven't gone bad yet, so I don't have to freeze them yet, or don't seem to be overripe yet. So we don't eat too many fruits, so you won't see too many fruits in here. We have some pumpkin pie. I'm sorry, not pumpkin pie, pumpkin puree. I use this to make what do you call it, pumpkin pancakes for the kids all the time. It's that time, so I'll link it up here too. Then we have some vegan cream cheese, which we love for all kinds of different things, and a whole, what do you call this, shelf or drawer full of limes and lemons, because I love my lemon water. I'll just pour like an entire lemon or lime or both into a huge mason jar and just drink that. Here we have, well, right now we have 3 almond milks, so this one's open. Wait, do we have 3? Yeah. So there, we usually buy 2 at a time. So there's 2 almond milks back there, 2 or chocolate almond milks. Mia loves chocolate almond milk. And then we have the 2 unsweetened almond milks, and then this one is being used now. We have the Manitoba Harvest Organic Hemp, plant protein, and this is vanilla. The other one is chocolate. I don't really drink too much protein stuff, but whenever I do want to add something like that into a smoothie, I have those. We have some cauliflower, some what is this? Celery. Some more Brussels sprouts, because I love to like roast Brussels sprouts. Actually, I put them in the air fryer because I like to make things fast. Then we have 2 whole bags of these little Persian cucumbers, because I love Persian cucumbers. I add these to every single salad I make, and I sometimes will add them into smoothies. Like if they're going a little soft and I want to use them up, I'll like throw it into a smoothie, just because it doesn't really add much flavor, but just so it won't go to waste. And right here, I'm trying to unfog the bag. We have a ginormous thing of some lettuce, and this is I believe, you know what, I forgot what it's called. It's not romaine, it's something else. And then we have 3 bags of carrots, because I'm getting ready to make some carrot dogs, and I also link that up here. Hopefully there's enough space for carrots, I'm sorry, for links. And I know you guys are thinking, Rose, aren't you vegan? Why is there eggs? There's eggs because Chris is not vegan, my husband isn't vegan, so he will occasionally buy eggs. And as you can tell, it says it expires or used by September 9th, so he's actually had them for a really long time. He doesn't make non-vegan things here often, so, but it's there, so he doesn't, you know, complain about not being able to keep his stuff in the fridge. And then we have some mixed mushrooms, which I love to use. And in here we have all of the onions. I used to keep them in this one up here, but since I use lemon way more often than I use onion, I decided to keep them lower. And then down here we just have potatoes, and sometimes I'll put in like squash or whatever, but I usually keep that kind of thing out. Into the freezer we go. So again, let's start at the door. So we have some Oh, spicy? I didn't know these were spicy. I think I bought these without even realizing that they were spicy. So these are spicy sweet potato fries. And then I have some potato puffs, a bag of frozen spinach because I bought like a 4-pound bag or some craziness, and they were starting to go bad, so I just froze a bunch of it. But it's almost done. This is almost empty. Some mango chunks. These are veggie burgers that I buy like just in case. I tend to usually make our own homemade veggie burgers, but I buy these from Aldi's just because like sometimes, you know, I like to have like a little, just in case I don't feel like making dinner. So that's just a regular veggie burger. This one is a Thai veggie burger. This one is a mushroom risotto veggie burger, and this is another Thai veggie burger, and I just keep those. I think my camera's like freezing up because of the cold. Here I have half a bag of Gardein left, also from a recipe because I don't normally keep too many like vegan specialty items on hand. And this is mango chunks, 2 bags of mango chunks because my favorite smoothie is mango, banana, and sometimes orange. And then I'll add a splash of almond milk and some spinach. And I have these like Asian seasoned melody, like quick little chopped up already. I like to get these also as like a quick thing. So sometimes I'm working and I want to make something for lunch that's not a salad. I'll just like toss this together, and it actually comes with like some Asian seasoning in it, like these little cubes. And sometimes I'll make it with the teriyaki sauce that you guys saw in the fridge. If I want to make it with that, I'll actually take out the little seasoned cubes and I'll just use it without that, just to use the veggies. I have some Goya, what are these called? Empanada tortillas. I've had these like forever. I don't know if they're still good. I should probably use them soon. There's 2 of those, and I also have some frozen burrito tortillas because sometimes I buy too many, not realizing that I had some already, and I'll just freeze them just to keep them good. A bag of frozen bananas for smoothies, a bag of frozen strawberries, and then 3 bags of potato puffs in the back because, again, my kids are obsessed with those things. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see a tour of my pantry, don't forget to let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. Again, thank you for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.